how to fix Valorant error code 43, and if you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here Windows security, click on it. After that, go to virus and rate protection, then go manage settings, scroll down until you find here add or remove exclusions, click yes, and now click add an exclusion and then select file. Now you need to find Riot Games folder, and here's it, I have it here. Click on it and then Valorant live shooter game binaries Win64, and scroll down until you find Valorant Win64 shipping. Click on it and click select, and that's it. After that, all you need to do just restart your PC and try again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.